So we have all of our ingredients ready. Let's begin. First, we're going to add non-dairy coconut milk. I'm going to try and get as much as that out of the container as possible. Then we're going to add our coconut oil. Use our spatula this time and scrape that bowl nice and clean, or as much as we can. Yep. Get the sides real good. Every last bit, okay. Then we're going to grab the apple cider vinegar. Now this is going to make the milk curdle, and that is our intention here. So we're gonna just give it a few moments to activate. Okay, now we're gonna blend it together. Okay, now that we've blended the first 3 ingredients, take a look at it. It's pretty chunky, and that's what we're looking for. Now we're gonna get ready to add our other ingredients. Vanilla extract first. We're gonna measure out about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add that to our liquid. Perfect. Cover that up nice and tight. Then we're gonna blend it again. Make sure that vanilla is fully incorporated. Then we're gonna add about a cup of light brown sugar. And then we're gonna blend that on a medium-low until fully incorporated. Okay, now that the wet ingredients have been blended, it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients. First, we have a bowl full of flour. Then we're gonna add baking powder, followed by some baking soda, just a little bit. Lastly, we're gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to incorporate our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. First, we want to mix our dry ingredients. So let's go ahead and wipe off that spatula and stir those dry ingredients together to make sure that they're fully incorporated. But we want to hold on to that spatula because we're going to need it later. Then we are going to slowly put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and we are going to blend. You will continue to incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. scraping the side of the bowl to capture any dry ingredients that we missed. Okay, and here is the batter. Honestly, it looks a little bit thick, so we need to add a little bit more coconut milk. 2 to 4 tablespoons should do. We really just need to make sure that the batter is thin enough to fill at least 10 cupcake tins. We're going to scrape our spatula, make sure we get all the batter in there, and we're gonna blend one last time. Now it's time for sprinkles. We are going to add these directly to the batter. Since we're making Funfetti Cupcakes, you can use any type of sprinkle here, it's up to you. We are going to gently fold in the sprinkles into the batter. Looking good. Now it's time to put the batter into the cupcake tins. We're gonna grab an ice cream scoop to do this in an efficient way. We're gonna fill the ice cream scoop as much as possible and then put them directly into our lined cupcake tins. Okay, we are all set. We made 10 cupcakes today, and we are going to put these directly into the oven and get rid of the liners we didn't use. All right, they are all set, baked, and ready to go. And now it's time for icing. We've put the icing into a piping bag with a tip so that it comes out evenly. You can purchase these at your local grocery store. So we are gonna ice these one by one, slowly working our way around the diameter of the cupcake. Now there's several methods to do this. This is just an easy way that allows us to pipe quickly. You could also use a knife and smear icing on top that way. This icing that we're using is homemade and plant-based with a little bit of almond extract. Go ahead and watch our video on how to make this delicious almond icing. All right, this is our last icing. And now we get to work with the fun part, the sprinkles. Wonderful! Our Funfetti plant-based cupcakes are complete with almond icing and sprinkles. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe for more sweet, delicious content, and share this video with anyone who would love to make these delicious cupcakes. Until next time, bye-bye!